Hi, my name is Megar Rifai bin Megar Rizal, and I want to share my experience attending a cultural event and explain how it is related to Hofstede and Trompena's cultural dimensions. Objective of the event. There are 5 main objectives for the event. The first one is to promote culture awareness. It is to increase understanding and appreciation of diverse culture. The second one is to foster intercultural communication. It is to encourage meaningful interactions between different cultural backgrounds. And the third one is to preserve cultural heritage. It is to showcase and celebrate traditional art forms and customs. And the fourth one is to enhance social cohesion. It is to create a sense of community through a shared cultural experience. And the last one is to promote respect and tolerance. It is to foster the mutual respect and tolerance for cultural differences. The topic that I find relevant to the event I attended are Hofstede cultural dimensions and Trompena's cultural dimensions, because they are power distance, individualism versus collectivism, long-term orientation, neutral versus emotional, and achievement versus aspiration happened when I attended the event. Through these frameworks, we are able to understand differences, improve communication, and build relationships. From what I see and experience, there is higher power distance because the audience respectful attention and focus on the Chinese opera performance, reflecting higher power distance, where hierarchy and authority are important. Secondly, collectivism, because when I attended the Chinese booth, the Chinese show their willingness to help me learn about their culture and teach me calligraphy step by step, highlighting collectivist approach, emphasizing group harmony and shared knowledge. Thirdly, long-term orientation, because the exhibition focused on the traditional Chinese hand food and unique design from different dynasties, valuing history, tradition, and perseverance. It showcased the cultural heritage and the evolution of fashion over centuries. Ascription for the third one, because the community shared joy and collectivist celebration during the dance, reflects an ascription culture where social status and group identity are valued over the individual achievement. Last but not least, emotional. Reflecting on my experience with the Pakistani culture, I noticed their expressiveness and emotional openness, which aligns with Trompena's emotional dimension. At the booth, their warm smile, animated conversation, and the friendly greetings created a welcoming atmosphere, showcasing emotional expressiveness and fostering connections. The key takeaway is understanding and appreciating cultural diversity. By using these frameworks, we are able to get an insight on how culture shapes behavior, interactions, fostering empathy, respect, and effective collaboration in both personal and professional settings. This knowledge is crucial for us to create an inclusive and harmonious world.